An executive order from the president has the Department of Justice reviewing the case of Marcus Spanevelo. He's the man charged in the disappearance of Cassie Carli. The Navarre mother was found dead in Alabama back in 2022. Spanevelo was her ex-boyfriend and the last person to see her alive. WKRG News 5's Darius McCormick explains what could come from the federal review.
Should Marcus Spanevelo face the death penalty if convicted in his federal case? That's what the Department of Justice is now reviewing. President Donald Trump issued an executive order in January lifting a ban on federal executions, which had been in place since 2021. Spanevelo is charged with kidnapping resulting in death. The purpose of the federal review is to decide if capital punishment fits the alleged crime under the president's order.
You're going to pay with your life, whether it's behind bars forever or the death penalty. Your life is over.
Kirstie Sullivan was a childhood friend of Cassie Carli. She remembers those first days when Carli disappeared.
I think part of me knew right away that something really bad had happened. I held out hope for a couple days that we were going to find her, but when they said that Marcus had her daughter, I knew that something bad had happened for sure.
Days later, Carli's body was found buried in a barn 275 miles away in Springville, Alabama.
I'm grateful we found her, but it never should have happened.
Something called the Cassie Carli law is now on the books in Florida. It requires safe, well-lit, and recorded exchange locations for custody handoffs, one step toward preventing another tragedy. In Navarre, Darius McCormick, WKRG News 5.